What's up, guys? LAX Model Airport here, and today I just got these off eBay. These are Southwest Airlines painted GSE, kind of custom made, I think, too. So let's get these out around this Southwest 737 MAX 8, and let's see how they look. Also going to show them on the airport as well. All right, guys, here it is with the GSE. Suppose I didn't really get a tug with it, but looks kind of cool as a tug, but put that right there. I'll get it on the airport, guys, so you can see it better, but really excited about this. It's pretty cool. I don't know if the seller has run out of them yet or not. Stuff on eBay just kind of comes and goes, guys, so you just have to be actively looking to see what people put on there. But here it is on the airport. All right, guys, here it is on the airport. Pretty cool looking. I like the blue, how it blends in with the Southwest Airlines, of course. Pretty realistic, guys. Pretty realistic. Let's go over here for another angle, guys. There we go. Awesome, guys, awesome. Well, thanks for watching, guys. Just wanted to show you the new GSE I got. Again, it's on eBay, so I can't guarantee it's still on there. Also, please subscribe for more videos, and Instagram as well at LAX Model Airport. TikTok also at LAX Model Airport. And we're almost to like about 15,000 followers on there, so it's going pretty good, guys. Feel free to follow. Thanks again, guys. See you soon.